Okay, so now that we know about our primary colors and what makes primary colors so special, let's have a little bit of fun by doing a color mixing experiment using those primary colors. For this experiment, you need a piece of paper and you need your 3 primary colors. I'm going to start off by drawing a circle on my page. A really big circle. And you can draw a big circle with me. This is what we're going to mix our colors in. After you draw that big circle, draw one line going down the middle. Then we're going to draw another line going through the middle, and then a third line. See how we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices. So we're going to color each slice a different color. But first we need to add our primary colors in. So let's do that now. First add your red in. Pick any slice you want. And you can use paint or crayons for this activity. I'm using markers just because it's easier. And you can do this with me. Color in your pie slice red. Right, now that we have our first pie slice colored red, let's add another primary color in. But this time, what you're going to do is you're going to skip a pie slice and go to the next one. I'm going to do yellow. So you can go ahead, color along with me, and color that other pie slice in yellow. So now we have one primary color left. Blue. We're going to skip a pie slice again and we're going to color this one blue. See how I'm coloring the pie slices in all the way, taking my time, coloring very neatly. Okay, so now that we have our 3 pie slices, let's have a little bit of fun by mixing the colors. So what we're going to do, I'm going to start in between the red and the yellow. You can take your red marker, color this pie slice in red. Or if you have paint, you can add some red paint into this pie slice. So now that you have that pie slice red too, what you're going to do is color over top of it using yellow, which is on the other side. So let's see what happens. Well. Look at that. Looks a little different, doesn't it? We just made a color that we recognize, didn't we? Red and yellow makes orange. Now, guess what we're going to do next? We're going to move right here to this pie slice. We're going to add blue and yellow to see what blue and yellow makes. So, I'm going to start with my blue. I'm going to color this slice in. Color it in carefully and neatly. And once you have that blue down, we're going to do the same thing we did with the other pie slice. Let's go over it with the color on the other side, which is yellow. Let's see what happens this time. Whoa, that really changes it, doesn't it? Color over top of that blue with your yellow. And again, if you have paint, you just mix those two colors to see what color you get. So, after you've colored that in, what do you see here? It's another color that we recognize, isn't it? It's green. Blue and yellow equal green. So, now that we've finished that pie slice, we're going to move over to our last one. And of course, what are we going to mix? Red and blue. Let's see what red and blue make. So I'm going to color in red again. And again, make sure you're coloring along with me. Now, after you color your pie slice in red, let's add that blue in. Let's see what we get. Whoa. That's cool. Alrighty. So, what color is this? It's yet another color that we recognize. Purple. Red and blue equal purple. So, what have we done here? We have mixed our 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, to make 3 new colors, orange, green, and purple. Those 3 colors that we made using our primary colors are called secondary colors because we use the primary colors first, mix them together, and what comes second? These 3 colors. They are secondary. So once you have your color pie colored, you now have what is called a color wheel. This is a way to organize your colors to help you to figure out how to mix colors to make new ones. And that is the end of our experiment. We now know how a primary color makes other colors.